Voltage. That's our topic for today's 2 minutes of science. Voltage can be used to make some spectacular effects. In this case, high voltage produces an arc of electricity that makes a bright white light. Or in another instance, high voltage can generate a spark that can leap between the Van de Graaff generator and others. Well, what is voltage really? In our water demonstration here, voltage represents the water pressure. And you can see from this simple experiment that if there's a higher voltage difference, that's represented by moving the tank of water higher, then we get more pressure, more electron flow, and the equivalent of higher voltage in our example. You may wonder why we care. Well, the voltage can make a big difference. For example, for the water, we use water under pressure to clean things and to wash dishes, and it has a big effect. Water under pressure can move a lot of things in and out of the environment. They used to use it for washing away whole mountains to mine for gold. The whole point of this is that in order to be able to control the power in our environment, we must be able to stop it when we need to and to control it. In this particular instance, we have a fuse, which is a safeguard for when voltage gets beyond the point where we want it to be. And if it does, the fuse blows and shuts down the circuit. We've already talked about capacitors and how they can store energy, and to some extent that's a voltage regulation while they're loading. The other thing that is used for voltage regulation are resistors, surface mount resistors and more regular resistors, all to help control electricity.